Imagine you are standing tall, feeling a warm glow right in your belly. That's your solar plexus, your inner powerhouse. So, today we are going to tap into that power. Close your eyes and feel it growing stronger inside you. We'll clear away any doubt or fear that might be holding you back. So, are you ready to feel the confident and unstoppable you? Alright, so let's start with the karate chop where we'll be acknowledging this sensation. So take a moment to tune into your body. Notice how you're feeling right now. Are there any sensations in your stomach area? Maybe a tightness, fluttering, or tension? Think about something that's been weighing on your mind lately. What emotions come up when you focus on it? So we'll start with the tapping. Even though I feel this tension in my stomach, I accept how I feel. Even though this worry is heavy on my chest, I honor my emotions. Even though I am feeling this tightness, I choose to release it with love. Even though I feel this tension in my stomach, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though this worry is heavy on my chest, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I am feeling this tightness, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Relax. Take a deep breath. And now we'll be moving with round number 2, where we'll be embracing the self-compassion within and we'll tap on the meridian points. So as you tap, let's shift our focus to self-compassion now. Think about a time when you showed kindness to yourself or someone else showed kindness to you. How did it make you feel? And now tap and repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of love and compassion. I forgive myself for any mistakes I have made. I am doing the best I can in this moment. I deserve to feel at peace. I release any self judgment with each tap. I am enough just as I am. I am worthy of love and compassion. I forgive myself for any mistakes I have made. I forgive myself for any mistakes I have made. I forgive myself for any mistakes I have made. Relax. Take a deep breath. Now we'll slowly move to round number 3, empowering our confidence. So now let's tap into our inner strength and confidence. So think about a time when you felt strong and capable. What were you doing and how did it feel? As we tap, repeat these empowering statements. I trust in my ability to overcome challenges. I am resilient and brave. I have the power to create positive change. I stand tall in my own power. I release fear and step into confidence. I am the architect of my own destiny. I trust in my ability to overcome challenges. I am resilient and brave. I am resilient and brave. I am resilient and brave. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Trust that you can return to this practice whenever you need to center yourself and find inner peace. You are resilient, you are capable, and you are deserving of love and compassion. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.